Hey folks, welcome to tutorial on 11.9 AB, PPA 155 volume of prisms. I like everything about this sheet except for just a couple things. I don't like the way they mark the height of these prisms here, marking 7.5, perpendicular here. I don't know why they just didn't put the line at an angle here or put it over here, even put it back here and show that the height is 7.5, but that's where it is. And then down here on this one as well too. The height is 8.25. They're just showing the height here. My guess is that they couldn't make their computer put that line at a slant. So this one here too should be slanted. All right, so you got all the information you need. This one here, this problem here is a little tricky. I'm gonna let you go ahead and figure that one out on your own. I put some measurements in here. I gave you this one here. If this line is 10, this is 6, this has got to be 4. And then this one over here was kind of hard to read. I divided this up into two different prisms. Find the volume of this rectangular prism, find the volume of this rectangular prism, add them together, and you will have your area. This one here is the one that I'm going to model for you today, which looks to be super hard, but it's really super easy. You're asked to find the volume of this, a pentagonal prism. You're probably saying, you never had a target on that. And I'm like, I don't care. You have all the information. Look, here's the base. They're already telling you that the big base is 19.2. And remember how important I told you that base times height was? Big base times height. This is the example. You can find this. It's not a big deal. The base is 19.2 centimeters squared. They've already given you the two-dimensional base. The height is 5.1. Just multiply them together. Base times height. 97.92. And then come on over to this side here and look for your answer. And when you find it, down here in the bottom, here it is, just cross it off. You won't need that answer. And then you put, when you're done, you put the answers that are left, the letters in these boxes, and it'll solve the puzzle. What do you call it when a bull eats a bomb? All right, have fun.